As a supervisor at a call center, you may sometimes need to listen in on an agent's calls for training, monitoring, or just support purposes, in which case this is very easy to do with a Unity application. As you can see here, Phil is currently active on a call. I'm going to right click on that call and do a barge into the call. I answer the call here, and now I am joined into the call with Phil and the caller. If I need to message Phil with anything, I can send him a message through Unity so that he can see it and know that I'm coaching him. If I do feel that I need to step in, I can start talking. Now, this is important to note. As soon as you join this call, it's essentially like an active conference. So the supervisor can be heard unless they've muted. You have two options to mute. On my particular headset, I have a mute button and I can keep that turned on. And when I join the call, I am muted. If you don't have that functionality, as soon as the call is joined, simply press the mic button here in Teams to mute the call. The other important thing to note here is that you must end the call as the supervisor using the leave button in the Teams call. If you use the leave button within the Unity application, it will actually end the call on the agent side. So it's the only time you actually need to use the leave button within the Teams call active window.